So we're making some cutout cookies today. I'm making a double batch. My kids and I think it's the best one we've ever tried. It's a recipe we've been using for a long time. I will put the recipe in the description box below. This is a doubled recipe. We're going to cream the butter and sugar. So we're going to do 2 cups of sugar, and we're going to use 2 cups of butter or margarine. I let it soften before I put it in to make it easier to mix. I usually cream this together till it's nice and fluffy. So that's good and fluffy. Now I'm going to add 6 tablespoons of milk and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. It's looking pretty good. I am going to scrape down the sides here. We're going to add 2 eggs. I like to mix that in first before I add all the dry ingredients. We're going to add 6 cups of flour for my double recipe. And I'm going to add the first 2 cups and mix that with the mixer, and then the others I'm going to stir in by hand. And now I have 3 teaspoons of baking powder, and this is about a teaspoon of salt. So now we're just going to mix this in. Alright, that looks pretty well mixed together. I'm going to put a little plastic wrap over it and let it chill in the refrigerator, and that will stiffen it up because it's pretty soft right now. So I'll just tuck that right down in on top. Half an hour, 45 minutes, and that'll be ready to roll out. Okay. Yeah, that's better. Push down. Good job. Ooh. Good job.
Wow, moon.
Yeah.
Moon we had.
Bloop. Good job. Can you do another one? Ooh.
Whoa.
Okay. You gotta get it rolled evenly. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
No.
Can you say Merry Christmas?
No.
Merry Christmas.